Hey folks, I'm HP and today I'm going to talk about a sad Spanish romanza. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button that you don't miss any live stream or a premiere or a video upload. And it's a song I just created and I'm going to share the rhythm guitar with you and some short ideas how to play a solo over this track, and this is how the whole thing sounds really nice. Yeah, stuff like that. So let's check it out. The rhythm guitar, you can play it either with your fingers or with a pick. I'm gonna show the rhythm guitar with finger picking, but of course you can do with the pick as well. Doesn't really make a difference. Just gonna show the chords and some easy ideas how to play along as such a track. The song is in B minor and we're playing a special B minor. This will be the normal B minor barre chord. But we're playing, play the B minor barre in the 2nd fret, 3rd fret, ring and pinky in the 4th fret, but now you just move up and have the G string open. Gives a really wonderful lyrical sound. Instead of, see the difference, it's really nicer, more lyrical. And if you play with finger picking, it's just thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger. If you want to play with a pick, with alternate picking. You play it once up, and then again, and then you go back till the D string. So 1 and it's in 6, you know, so da ga da, so da ga da ga. Ba da ba da ga da da ga da ga ba da ba da. See, da ga da ga ba da ba da ba da. That's the rhythm which is played. Then we go to a A13. Here, index finger on the 2nd fret on the B string, ring finger here on the 4th fret in the D string. Play the same rhythm figure. And then it goes to G major, and you just go down here with the middle finger, keep the ring finger here. Now you play the E string, the D string, the G string, and the B string. Same rhythm figure, so. And now we go to E minor 9. In this case, we grab here in the 4th fret the D string and the B string in the 3rd fret, open easy. Now you just make, see, skip the A string and F sharp, and you make a normal F sharp barre in the 2nd fret, but you move the barre up that the B and E string are open. Basically, you just need the B string as an open string, so you skip the A string. See? Yeah. And there's a trick if you how to skip between the chords. And now with the thumb shortly the open E string, and then that gives you a little time to change. See? And then back to the beginning. So 1, 2, da da ga da. So da ga da ga. If you want to play with a pick, same just with alternate picking. It's basically the same. You do as you like. In this case, I prefer finger picking because you have more touch for the strings. Now we want to play some melody to this thing here. And what would you do is we play the B minor scale. This will be this one here. Just a normal B minor scale. Now, if you can play just by feeling, and basically the chords really help you to orient. But that's probably the best thing I can recommend. Now we take the normal chords. So that will be this one here. So all these notes which you're pressing with the chord are chord notes. So if one of those chords is, you just, as an example, this is the note in the chord. Then it goes to A. So this is a chord note in A. This is a chord note in G. This is a chord note. E minor. This is a chord note. And or F sharp. This is a chord note. So, and this way you can really move pretty simple through these chords. Another one, this one. Just move from chord to chord note. Really simple. You can just move through the chord notes as you like. Now we want to get more flamenco touch in it, or more Spanish touch, and do this with this. In this case I use now the pick. Well, if you play with the fingers, it would be like, I cannot do it, you know. But this is more for pick players, so you could do this. And you can make this grrr, makes it more expressive. Yeah, stuff like that. One trick I can tell you if you want to play those fast runs, those fast notes, I play very hard picks. Don't hold it too too strong, just very loose, and then just try to do this. It's like tremolo picking on an electric guitar. We call it, I don't know how you call these, but it's like tremolo picking. You can also move with one finger, and then you have the perfect Spanish touch. If you don't have a nylon guitar, it works of course on the electric guitar. It doesn't have the exact same emotional impact, but it's really nice. Yeah, so these are more or less I'm gonna go deeper into what you can solo in more advanced tutorials about acoustic guitars. I just started again here with the acoustic series. I just want to keep it simple, show you these chords and some ideas how you can play around those and try to play expressive. Yeah, folks, what more to say? As I said, I just reopened the acoustic section here, and special the nylon guitar section. Spanish type of, I don't dare to say it's flamenco, because then all the flamenco players come and say, well, it's not flamenco because you play a pick. But you can still, if you're a pick player and you're not into flamenco technique, there's a way to really... really a way to also get kind of a similar vibe, and probably is exactly flamenco because it's the same technique, but it sounds a little bit like, and I dare to say that. Yeah, one more to say, if you want to download the tabs and the backing track of this one, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. And follow me on Instagram, follow me on Spotify, write me a review on Google Maps. The links are all in the description. And now I'm gonna play a little bit more for you to give you an impression how you can. I go to the end of the song now where it gets more expressive. I added some strings at the ending where it gets really impressive, just to give you an idea. And